Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your username and profile picture on CapCut on mobile. In this case I'm using iPhone, but should be the exact same on Android. Go over to your CapCut app, and when you actually log into your account or create your account, sign up, go to the bottom right to the Me section, and it's going to give you a username plus a bunch of random numbers, and it doesn't look very good. So go to View Profile, and then from there, Edit Profile, change photo. I'm going to use the YouTube channel photo, confirm. And then from there, I'm going to press into nickname, and it gives you the option to change the nickname. We'll type in My Tech Mastery. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe.